Digital marketing is crucial to businesses. Whether you're big or small, you should take advantage of digital marketing now. You should also take advantage of the 2-for-1 deal on mandarins at Trader Joe's. And in order to go big in digital marketing, you're gonna need some apps. Now this is gonna be pretty expensive. Fees and subscriptions are gonna stack up. And if you just started your business, this is gonna be hard to maintain. So in today's video, we're gonna be sharing with you 6 free digital marketing tools that you can use to help you market and grow your business. Make sure you watch until the end, and please subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this, so you won't miss out on anything that can help you with your e-commerce journey. Also, none of these apps are sponsored or affiliated tools. We're just making this video. First off, why is digital marketing important to your business, and why do you need it? Well, digital marketing is the single greatest way to build brand awareness and spread the word about your business. Through, of course, the internet. So according to Retail Dive, 87% of buyers searches for products to buy online. Through digital marketing, you can easily engage and connect with your target audience through social media and find out more about what they look for, what they like, which can help you improve your business. Digital marketing is definitely a long-term investment for the growth of your business. Why? Why? Number one, the affordability. Digital marketing is definitely much more affordable than traditional marketing. As a starting out business, you can't put all your money in radio, TV, or billboards since you've got other important things to prioritize, probably like inventory or customer service. Number 2, reach. With digital marketing, of course, you have a broader reach. Unlike billboards or traditional advertising, you can only reach people in a certain area for a certain length of time or a certain person or people. Especially now that we've got subscription services like Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, YouTube, and everything else, more people are definitely online. Digital marketing can definitely reach anyone, anywhere in the world, if they've got an internet connection, of course. Number 3, targeting. With digital marketing, you can target specific audiences. It can help your business identify and target customers who are likely to buy your products, which makes it easier for your business to make sales, grow, and scale to success. So if you're still watching and you're enjoying this, please like this video. Okay, so now that we've convinced you of the importance of digital marketing, let's check out some free tools that you can use. First tool is Canva. You need visuals, of course, to engage with your audience, and Canva is definitely the best free tool that can help you with that. It's basically a free Photoshop with a premium service as well. Canva is going to offer tools and templates to help you create content for social media, infographics, logos, business cards, or anything that you may need that requires a visual element. It's got built-in templates and optimized sizes that make it really quick and easy to create content. They have standard tall sizes for Pinterest, rectangular sizes for Twitter, square sizes for Facebook and Instagram, or, any old circle or spherical mandarin size that you need. Besides all of these templates, the user interface is really user-friendly. And it's drag and drop. Like, this is basic stuff. You don't need to be an experienced graphic designer to create high-quality content with this tool. Next tool is After the Deadline. After the Deadline is a Chrome extension that checks grammar, spelling, and style wherever you are on the web. Kind of like Grammarly. It uses artificial intelligence and natural language processing technology to find writing errors and offer smart suggestions. This is an important tool that can help you with your writing. Of course, in business and online stores, there's an awful lot of writing that goes down, so having a little AI to spell check and proofread things is a great idea. Regardless of what your business is, it's important to put the right message across, and as a business, you have to make sure to avoid miscommunications and misunderstandings with your customers or your audience. This is definitely going to cover the basics like spelling errors and grammatical mistakes, which are also going to change the meaning of your messages and might result in misinformation. Free tool number 3, Buffer. Social media requires you to be active, and this can be time consuming. So it's quite important that you're able to schedule your posts ahead of time so you can do it all at once. This is where Buffer comes in. Buffer is a free social media scheduling tool that lets you schedule posts. So they've got a forever free plan that lets you connect a profile from each of your networks and schedule 10 posts for each, which is pretty sweet. So before we get to the last tool, I want to talk about Debutify. Debutify is the all-in-one solution for e-commerce brand owners. Head to Debutify.com to try it for 14 days for free for your business. And free tool number 4 is HubSpot Marketing. Probably heard of this one. HubSpot are enormous. They have a free tool that allows you to easily generate email leads from your website with a free pop-up tool. So building your email list is important as a starting business. Email marketing is one of the best effective ways to connect to your customers, apart from, giving them a high five on the street. Emails allow you to reach your audience in a personalized way and increase your sales at an affordable cost. And free tool number 5 is Yoast. Now that you have your tools for design, for grammar, content, scheduling, and email marketing, the next important tool to have is for optimizing all of these things. Yoast is one of the best free tools that can help you with your SEO optimization. Yoast is going to show you where to place your keyword, how to improve readability, and most importantly, it's going to let you know what you're doing wrong so you can improve your content more and market your business effectively. And lastly, one of the most important tools you'll need to be successful with your marketing is Slack. The success of any project or any business depends, of course, with the smooth communication of everybody involved. Now, you can do this on email or Messenger, but effective communication is always going to be best when it's centralized. Slack's going to help you build a good working relationship between you and your staff or your clients and customers, and can boost everybody's morale, efficiency, and productivity. One of the most popular team collaboration tools is Slack. Slack allows you to easily share data across your team, and it also integrates with heaps of different tools as well, which makes it easy for you to stay on top of everything. I've used Slack quite a few times in Brightrip, Debutify, and Video Ventura, and it's pretty good. Okay, so which of these tools do you think would be most helpful to you? Let us know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. That's all from us for today. I really hope that these tools are helpful to you. Check out our other videos. Subscribe to the channel if you like videos like this. And good luck with your business, and just have a lovely day. Okay, see you later.